Old metal, real projects. Today, we've got 10 more classic cars for sale, some original survivors, some Baja builds, and a few honest restoration candidates sitting quietly in California and Arizona. Let's start in Visalia. Number 1. 1964 Pontiac Bonneville, 2-door hardtop, $6,000, Visalia, California. Here's a 1964 Pontiac Bonneville, 2-door hardtop. All original 389 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. Automatic transmission, 75,000 miles showing. White exterior, blue interior. The seller says it just needs paint in a tune-up. Now, the 389 was Pontiac's bread-and-butter performance engine in the early 60s. Smooth torque, good sound, plenty of aftermarket support. If the body is straight and complete, $6,000 for a full-size GM hardtop with its original drivetrain is real project car territory. This isn't restored, it's not detailed, it's an honest big-body cruiser waiting for attention. Number 2. 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,500, Sanger, California. A 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, listed as a daily driver. Seller includes extra parts and a toolbox with tools. Pop-out window. Condition listed as good. 69 Beetles came with IRS rear suspension in the US, making them ride better than earlier swing axle cars. At $3,500, if it truly runs and drives daily, this is affordable entry into air-cooled ownership. These cars are simple, mechanical, easy to maintain. Not a show car, just an honest driver with extras included. Number 3. 1961 Mercury Comet, $5,000, Fresno, California. Here's a compact classic, a 1961 Mercury Comet. All original except for an electric fuel pump and a new OEM starter. Seller says body is phenomenal, but needs repaint. Interior is good, though the front bench seat needs upholstery work. It runs and drives, but currently needs a battery and tires. The early Comet shared at the platform with the Ford Falcon. Simple inline 6 power, lightweight, easy to work on. At $5,000, if the body really is as clean as described, this could be one of the better value early 60s compact projects out there. Number 4. 1966 Volkswagen Fastpack, $8,500, San Diego, California. A 1966 Volkswagen Fastpack, Type 3, manual transmission. Runs really good, seller says. New master cylinder, brakes, tune-up, battery, registration paid until next year. It does have some rust, including the battery tray area, which is common on Type 3s. Dual carbs need dialing in. Type 3 Fastpacks are less common than Beetles. More trunk space, sleeker lines. At $8,500, it's priced above Beetle money, but Type 3s always draw attention from people who want something different. Number 5. 1965 Volkswagen Beetle, $4,000, Inglewood, California. A 1965 Volkswagen Beetle, yellow with black interior. Manual transmission, 25,000 miles showing. 2 owners, paid off. 65 is a sweet spot year, still the earlier body style, before the larger windows of 67 and later. If original and solid, $4,000 is reasonable for a running classic Beetle in Southern California. Simple, timeless, easy to keep on the road.
Number 6. 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Baja, $3,000, Bakersfield, California. A 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, converted to Baja style. Clean title, current registration. New tires, new transmission. Comes with a 1600 engine, but it needs carburetors. Gasket set included. So this one is not ready to drive yet. $3,000. This is pure project car pricing. You're buying a platform with a drivetrain that needs finishing. If you enjoy wrenching, this is approachable. Number 7. 1967 International 1200B, $5,500, Sun City, AZ. Now here's something different. A 1967 International 1200B. Manual transmission. Big V8, rated at 180 horsepower from the factory. Regular cab, long bed. Seller says it runs and drives. No rust, except 2 silver dollar-sized spots in the bed. International trucks have a different feel from Ford or Chevy. Heavy duty, built like farm equipment. Nice patina, blue exterior. This is the kind of truck you leave as is. Maybe clear coat the patina and just enjoy. Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop. $7,000. Peoria, AZ. A 1966 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop. 350 V8. Automatic. Factory AC. Glass packs. Parked for 18 years. Seller says when parked, it only needed a starter and battery. It does have rust, like many cars this age. $7,000 for a parked 1966 Impala hardtop means you're stepping into restoration mode. But these cars have strong aftermarket support, and the 1966 body lines are classic. Number 9. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. $5,700. Fontana, California. No engine. Here's a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle, solid Southern California car. Clean title in seller's name, always stored indoors, no motor. Body is described as rust-free, solid floors and heater channels. 12-volt transmission shifts smoothly, minor gear oil leak at side cover. Suspension refreshed, drop spindles, ball joints, shocks, steering components. Lots of small upgrades, short shifter, LED speedometer, swan neck mirrors. This is a strong foundation. If you already have a 1600 dual port sitting in your garage, this could be a straightforward build. Number 10. 1962 Ford Ranchero Futura. $8,000. Porterville, California. Last one. A 1962 Ford Ranchero Futura. Inline 6, automatic transmission. Good running car but needs finishing. Interior needs to be completed. Recently painted. Clean title. On non-op with no back fees. The early Rancheros combined Falcon underpinnings with a small pickup bed. Lightweight. Simple. Unique. At $8,000, this is a running project that just needs refinement. That's 10 more classic cars and project cars for sale. Big Pontiacs, air-cooled Volkswagens, farm trucks, parked Impalas, compact Comets. Some are ready to cruise. Some need engines. Some need full restoration. If you enjoy real classic cars for sale, the honest ones, make sure you follow along. More classic cars and project cars coming in the next video. And if this kind of content speaks to you, subscribe. We'll keep bringing them.